Everyone, my name is Utkarsh Verma and I'm your psychology mentor at Study Capital. You must have heard me saying a lot of times that Study Capital is the one-time solution, Study Capital is the one-stop solution. So what is the meaning? See, at Study Capital, we offer you a structured guidance program. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about what is actually structured guidance program or what is the meaning of structured guidance. See, our courses, like my courses, I'll talk about the psychology and we have like all the courses. Alright. So in psychology, I'll be giving you the live classes. So daily basis पे आपकी live classes होगी which will build your consistency, your dedication, your discipline. इस live classes में you can ask me doubts. If you have any, आप comment कर सकते हो, आप voice से पूछ सकते हो doubts. Other than this, daily basis पे आपके क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग्स होती है, आपको PPTs दिया जाता है, you will be giving notes for the revision, you will be having your weekly topic based test जिससे आपका टॉपिक क्लियर होता रहे, you will be given comprehensive mock test series जो कि ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे कंडक्ट होती है so that आपको एक एग्जाम बेस फील मिल सके और आपकी सारी चीज़ें कवर हो सके. Other than this, you will be also having the guidance, direct guidance from me, which basically means आपके पास मेरा personal WhatsApp नंबर होता है and you can ask your doubt personally to me. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई Google फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ेगा, किसी मीडिएटर के थ्रू जाना पड़ेगा. You will be in direct touch with your mediator, with your mentor in every batch. Alright, so आप मेरे से direct contact में रहने वाले हो. Other than this, we all have a credible faculty. Everyone here, including me, we have qualified the PG All India entrances, whether it is DU, BHU, CVT. Most of our faculty, I can say almost our all faculty is JRF qualified, GATE qualified if they have their subjects. So this is a very experienced faculty you will get. And the best thing is we have been mentoring students for almost 4 years. We have mentored thousands of students. We know what things we have to do and what things we don't have to do. And by we means you. Because preparation में सब आपको ये बताएंगे ये पढ़ लो, ये पढ़ लो, ये पढ़ लो, ऐसा पढ़ लो, वैसा पढ़ लो. No one will teach you actually कि ये नहीं पढ़ो, ये नहीं आता एग्जाम में, right? ये इसको इतना जरूरी नहीं है, इतना मत पढ़ो. So in batches we don't actually teach you. We teach you the basics concept, but also we teach you how to score good marks in CUET, which I personally believe that is the smart work. So सिर्फ hard work नहीं करना है, सिर्फ 10 घंटे नहीं पढ़ना है, you have to do smart work. And for smart work, you can join my batches that are live right now. Sankalp batch and the Mahayoddha batch. Mahayoddha is a complete wholesome batch जिसमें आपको सारे batches का access free of cost दिया जाता है. This is a one-time batch. So download the Study Capital app from the Play Store. Join the batch right now. See you in the class.